You know, every once in a while, a car comes along that just stops you in your tracks. You could be scrolling through your feed or walking past a dealership, and suddenly, bam, it's right there in front of you, making you think, wow, that's special. Well, that's exactly how I felt when I first laid eyes on the 2026 AMG GT63 S. Now, the GT63 S has always been a head-turner, but this time, Mercedes-AMG has really gone all out. The design, absolutely stunning. It's like they took the sleek, aggressive silhouette we know and love, sharpened every line, and then gave it just the right curves to make it look fast even when it's parked. The front grille is wider, bolder, and somehow even more confident, flanked by those razor-sharp LED headlights that seem to stare you down like they know they're the king of the road. And the new wheel designs, let's just say they make you want to clean them every day just so they keep shining like jewelry. But the beauty of this car isn't just skin deep. Underneath, we've got something new and very exciting, a hybrid powertrain. Yep, the 2026 GT63 S is stepping into the future without losing that raw AMG soul. The hybrid system works alongside that twin-turbo V8 to give you an insane punch of power, while also making it a little friendlier to your fuel tank and the planet. And when you floor it, oh boy, that instant torque from the electric motor hits you like a tidal wave, and then the V8 roars in to remind you this is still a pure AMG experience. Now, here's something you might not expect. I know it surprised me. This GT63 S actually has some off-road capability built in. No, it's not going to replace your G-Wagon for a rock-crawling adventure, but with adaptive suspension modes and intelligent all-wheel drive, it's ready for rougher roads, steepy driveways, or those long road trips where you might hit unexpected terrain. It's like a luxury sedan that's secretly a bit of an adventurer. Step inside, and it's a whole new level of refinement. Mercedes has taken the interior from luxurious to you may never want to get out of the car again. The seats are wrapped in the softest Nappa leather with diamond stitching that just screams craftsmanship. The new ambient lighting system can now sync with your driving modes, so if you switch to Sport Plus, the lights pulse red around the cabin, making you feel like you're in a high-tech cockpit. The central screen is bigger, crisper, and loaded with the latest MBX interface. But it's not just tech for tech's sake. It's intuitive, responsive, and makes everything feel effortless. Speaking of effortless, the sound system, wow. Burmester has gone to town on this one, and the result is an audio experience that could honestly make you cry. Whether you're listening to classical music on a quiet night drive or blasting your favorite playlist, it feels like the music is alive inside the cabin. Of course, all this beauty, tech, and performance comes at a price, and the 2026 AMG GT63 S is no budget buy. We're talking a starting price in the six figures, and if you go wild with the options list, you can easily nudge it into the stratosphere. But here's the thing, this car isn't about being cheap. It's about giving you an experience that very few cars on the planet can match. And when you compare it to past models, the evolution is clear. The earlier GT63 S models were pure muscle, fast, loud, and unapologetic. This new one, it's still all that, but now it's smarter, more refined, and versatile enough to handle more than just track days or city streets. It's the kind of car that could take you to a black tie gala one night and a winding mountain road the next morning, and feel perfectly at home in both places. So, if you've been wondering whether Mercedes-AMG still knows how to make a car that gets your heart racing, the answer is a big, loud, absolutely. The 2026 AMG GT63 S is proof that you can blend luxury, performance, technology, and even a bit of responsibility into one jaw-dropping package. And trust me, once you hear that engine fire up for the first time, you'll understand exactly why this car will blow your mind.